I know this video is a month old, but a lot of you guys like these guys' videos, so I figured I'd do a live reaction to one or two of them. Now, this one is a fidget spinning trick shots video. And they're going to be apparently using fidget fucking spinners, you know, the things that blew up in the last couple months for no apparent reason. And I asked somebody why they're even popular, and they told me it's because it relieves stress. Now, I don't know about you guys, but there's plenty of other ways to relieve stress, like jacking off, for instance. I don't need to, like, put this thing on my finger and spin it. Anyways, if you like fidget spinners, I'm all about it. Let's see what some fidget spinners can do when you give them to people that, I guess, try and do tricks with them. Now, that's cheating.
Oh, she's humming. She's ready to let
That's cheating, isn't it?
It's the spin bender shot.
Oh my god. I feel like a little baby watching this shit. What kind of music selection is this? This is the kind of music like I like to listen to, but I'll never let anybody know I listen to it.
Perfect. Welcome to Fidget Spinner Trick Shots. Here we go.
I'm like so embarrassed. I don't think I should upload this. This is just a test live reaction. That one's alright. That must have took like 100 tries, bro. Cause like, this dude caught it like perfectly, like.
The long blue weird one versus the dollar sign.
I didn't even know like these kinds of fidget spinners exist.
Off the table.
Yo, this reminds me of like Beyblade low-key.
Rainbow trap. Fight.
Actually, this is exactly like Beyblade. They're stealing that idea.
This is the spinning bounce two buddy shot.
Yo, that looks a like. I'm telling you, man, this is a lot harder than it looks. Oh my. Oh my.
This is the blow dart spin shot.
What are they gonna do? No fucking way, man. Like, you know how precise you gotta be? Like, that's not a fucking, like, big range. Like, y'all should see, like, the range of, like, my shots. Like, it's all over the place.
Spin tower. Gotta start with a solid foundation. Ah, the golden beauty.
Alright, I'm not trying to... This is like Legos to me, alright? Like, you know, build it and... No, that...
Ladies and gentlemen, 10 spin tower. What a...
Is that hard to do, though? I can't tell.
This is the super speed spinning spinner strike slam and smash shot. Here we go.
Look at this dude's face.
I'd say we call that good.
Back to reality. I guess I'm like underestimating just how much that machine is like making that fidget spinner spin. Okay, I would not do that though.
This is the Ninja Star Ski Smasher.
Yeah, that looks really cool in slow-mo.
Versus the dance party.
Alright, I'm gonna go with the gold one. Yep, I got it. I got it! That's gold, right? I'm colorblind, but it's the lighter one. Ninja Star? Yo, we Naruto. We going ninjas. But I think low-key that one's gonna win. Because it's like thicker, you know what I mean?
Off the table.
Yeah, I was right. I was right.
This is the twin toss.
Yo, this really does feel like an alternative reality, though.
Got a little game for you.
Like, I just want to, like, shut off from society and just play with fidget spinners all day, bro. Like, and do trick shots and shit. That's the life. At least that's how they're making it seem. But I'm sure it took a lot of edits to make this video look this good.
Experienced ninjas only.
My. Oh, my. That's fucking sick, guys.
Of course, launch me.
I'd like to do that to, like, an actual person. Just, like, throw that shit.
This is the Ninja Star Balcony Bottle Blaster.
Damn.
The bottle got blasted.
Yo, that shit, like, cracked and broke, like, after the fidget spinner went through it.
Transfer toss. Coming up, Cord. Send it.
I would totally walk the other way if I saw all these people together.
So guys, thanks for watching. If you're not already a Dude Perfect subscriber, make sure you click down here because you don't want to miss our next video. Peach Stereo.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I didn't expect to enjoy this video, but I did. Like, I love this video, and I don't know if it's because of the trick shots or the production or everything together, but these guys make good fucking videos. And I actually checked their page, and it takes them like a week to make every single video, so it makes sense why these videos are good. They're pouring a lot of time and effort into them. Go check out this video, guys. When it comes to fidget spinners and trick shots, doing them, I mean, I'm not really interested in fidget spinners to begin with, so I probably wouldn't do trick shots, but I'm gonna be honest, it takes a lot of work to catch these things by the 2 fingers, or to throw them accurately and hit the bottle, or, you know, shoot a gun and have it land like... It takes a lot of effort to do that. I'm sure it took, like, hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of tries for some of these things, right? Like, maybe they spent one... Like, in the video, it looks like, you know, it was, like, very easy, but it could have taken, like, a day to do even one of